Sarah, be honest. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and nothing came out?
Oh, yes. My heart was fast, my mind was empty, and a stranger was waiting.
If this sounds like you need to listen to this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Happy to be here.
Today we are talking about something very real, very scary, but very important.
Yes, your first time speaking English with a stranger.
In this episode, we will talk about fear, mistakes, and what really happens in real life.
No book English, no hard words, only real talk.
This will help you at work, at a shop, at a cafe, or anywhere.
So relax, listen, and imagine yourself in the story.
Sarah, let me ask you something. Do you remember your first time?
Yes, I remember it very clearly.
Where were you?
At a bus stop, a foreign guy asked me a question.
Oh wow, that sounds scary already.
Yes, my brain said run, my mouth said nothing.
Many people feel this. They know English, but they feel scared.
Exactly. They think, what if my English is bad? What if they laugh?
Listener, pause here. Think for a second. Have you felt this before?
The man said, "Excuse me, is this bus going downtown?"
Simple question. Very simple.
Yes, but fear makes it big.
What did you do?
I smiled. That helped me a little.
That's a good trick. Smile first.
Then I said, "Yes, I think so."
You said, I think so. Nice.
Yes, not perfect, but real.
Let me tell you something. English does not need to be perfect.
It only needs to be clear.
Did you make any mistake?
Oh yes, many mistakes.
Tell us one.
I wanted to say, the bus comes in 5 minutes.
Okay.
But I said, the bus come 5 minute.
And what happened?
Nothing. He understood me.
That's important. He understood.
Yes, he did not stop me. He did not laugh.
Listeners, repeat this out loud. People understand more than you think. Here's the trick. Use small sentences.
Yes, no long English.
Instead of saying, I am not fully sure, but I believe,
Just say, I think.
simple is strong.
Simple is safe.
What would you say, listener? Pause and think. What simple sentence can you use today? Let's do a small role play.
Okay, I'm the stranger.
I'm you, nervous but trying.
Hi, can you help me?
Yes, what do you need?
Where is the coffee shop?
It is there, next to the bank.
Perfect. Very clear.
Listeners, repeat with us. It is there, next to the bank.
After that day, I felt something new.
What was it?
Confidence. Not big, but small.
Small confidence is enough.
Yes, because next time is easier.
The first time is the hardest.
Always.
Imagine this. Tomorrow, a stranger speaks to you.
You don't run.
You don't freeze.
You smile and speak.
What if you don't understand the stranger?
Very good question.
What can we say?
You can say, "Sorry, can you say it again?"
Or, please speak slowly.
These are magic sentences.
Repeat after us. Can you say it again?
Good. Say it again.
Many people think English is an exam.
Yes, but real life is not a test.
No marks, no fail.
Only communication.
The goal is not perfect English.
The goal is understanding.
Have you felt scared to speak before? Comment yes if you have.
Pause the podcast for 10 seconds.
Say one sentence in English. Any sentence.
Good. That's practice.
You don't need a teacher, you need courage.
And practice.
So let's recap.
Your first time will feel scary.
Mistakes are normal.
Simple English works.
Strangers are kinder than you think.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
If you enjoyed this talk, please like the video
Comment below. Tell us your first English story.
and subscribe to the channel.
We are here to help you speak.
No fear, one sentence at a time.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.